Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. This is our class 7th textbook mathematics. We are going to solve the question number 4 of exercise 2.1 Here I noted this question in a notebook. Class 7th, subject mathematics, exercise 2.1, page number 35. Question number 4 here. Textbook question number 4 says a rectangle sheet of paper is 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Before solving this question, we first know the perimeter of the rectangle sheet. Here, if we make here a rectangular sheet of paper, this is the sheet which I made here. This is the sheet, a rectangular sheet, of paper. Here the length, long means length. Here length is 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter. This is in the mixed form. Then we will convert this into a improper fraction. And 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter, 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter long. Wide means width, whatever you can see. 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter long. Find its perimeter. You know, if we simply say what is the perimeter. Perimeter is the length of the boundaries. If we add this side to this and this is a rectangular sheet. This side and this side are equal, and this side and this side, opposite sides of a rectangle, are always equal. Therefore this is 10 and 2 by 3, and this is 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter long. But we will find the perimeter of this very rectangle by using formula. Here length is given and breadth is also given. First we will here write the length. What is the length or long? This is the same. Length is 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter long. If we convert this mixed fraction, how we will convert? We have to first multiply this very 2 to 12 and add 1. 12 2s are 24, 1 added 25, divide by 2 centimeter long. This becomes an improper fraction. Now breadth, or we can say width, वाइड, इसने वाइड लिखा है, वाइड भी कह सकते हैं. कितना है ये वाइड? 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter long. Therefore we will convert this. 3 10s are 32, 12, 31, 32. 3 10s are 30, 30 और 2 हो गए 32, डिवाइड बाई 3. 32 डिवाइड बाई 3 सेंटीमीटर विड्थ है इस रेक्टेंगल का. After this, we know that see how we will solve this question. We know that perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper, is equal to twice length plus breadth. If we see this figure, this is a rectangular sheet. The area of a rectangle is the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 and 2 multiplied by L plus B. 2 multiplied by L plus B. We will write here perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper is equal to twice length. What is the length of a rectangular sheet of paper? 25 divided by 2, 25 divided by 2 plus breadth 32 divided by 3, bracket will be closed here. This is centimeter. We will write centimeter. Perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper is equal to 2 को हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. अगर हम इस ब्रैकेट में इन दो फ्रैक्शन को देखें, whenever you will see the fractions are under addition, we must have to cross multiply these two fractions. We must have to cross multiply the fractions. Now we will multiply 3 5s are 15, 1 goes carry, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 75 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then after divide and divide becomes a long divide here. Then we have to multiply denominators 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. Bracket will be closed centimeter. Here we will write again perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper is equal to, twice को हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, इनको हम ऐड करेंगे. 5 और 4 9 बनेगा, 6 और 7 13 बनेगा. डिवाइड बाई 6 सेंटीमीटर को हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. आफ्टर that we will write again perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper is equal to twice. यहाँ हम करेंगे 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. We will write 139 divided by 3 centimeter. We can write here perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper. This is also the solution of this question, but we will write this solution in the form of, this is an improper fraction. We will write this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. How we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? We will here make a here rough. Here rough is 139 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, नीचे 1 आएगा और 9 नीचे ही ऐसे ही आएगा, ऐसे. ये 19, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Here 1 go, this is our quotient, this is our here remainder. Here 1 is our remainder, there 1 is our remainder. Then we will write this 46. The remainder is written here, and this is here the answer of solution of this question. 46 and 1 by 3 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangular sheet of the paper. If we will add these 12 and 1 by 2, 12 and 1 by 2, 10 and 2 by 3, 10 and 2 by, this will become as a 46 and 1 by 3 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this rectangular sheet of paper. Inshallah, in next video we will solve the question number 5 of this mathematics 7th class book, exercise 2.1. Dear students, make a screenshot of this question and write in your notebook, or you can pause the video and can written easily. If you do not understand, you can call me on my number, as you know my number. Assalamu alaikum bachcho.